to unlock Bitlocker drive after OS change in Windows. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then search account.microsoft.com/devices/recovery key. Click on enter. You'll find this kind of screen. Add your email and press on next of your Microsoft account. After that, you'll find different options to recover. Simply select the one you prefer. I have simply selected email in here. After email is selected, verification code will be sent to your email. Simply paste your email here and press on verify at the bottom. After that, you'll find all your Bitlocker recovery keys. Now what you need to do is open File Explorer and open your disk. Then you'll find Bitlocker at the top. Select key ID and make sure it matches with the key ID in the Bitlocker recovery keys. Then enter your recovery keys, which is beside your keys, and unlock it. And this is how to unlock Bitlocker drive after OS change. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.